Hey everyone, AI is transforming the way we work and create, and in today's video, I'm sharing the top 5 AI tools you need to know about in 2025. These tools will not only save you time, but also unlock your creativity like never before. Let's dive in. First up, we have ChatGPT, and let me tell you, this thing is a game changer. Imagine having a tool that can assist you with writing tasks at any time of the day or night. Whether you're an early bird or a night owl, ChatGPT is always ready to help. Imagine having a writing partner available 24/7, one that never gets tired or needs a break. This partner can help you brainstorm ideas, draft emails, or even write entire articles from scratch. Ready to help you brainstorm ideas, draft emails, or even write entire articles. It's like having a personal assistant who specializes in writing, always at your beck and call. That's ChatGPT in a nutshell. It's designed to make your life easier by taking on the heavy lifting of writing tasks so you can focus on what really matters. You can literally feed it any prompt, no matter how complex or simple, and it will generate human-quality text in seconds. It's like having a super-powered writing assistant that never sleeps. And it'll generate human-quality text in seconds. The speed and efficiency of ChatGPT are truly remarkable. You can get high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take to write it yourself. It's like having a super-powered writing assistant that never sleeps. Imagine the possibilities. You can get more done in less time, freeing you up to focus on other important tasks. I've been using ChatGPT for a while now, and I'm constantly blown away by its capabilities. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer for anyone who needs to write regularly, and I'm constantly blown away by its capabilities. Whether I'm working on a script, drafting an email, or just brainstorming ideas, ChatGPT is always there to assist me. Whether I'm stuck on a script, need help with an email, or just want to bounce ideas off of, ChatGPT is my go-to. It's like having a creative partner who is always available to help you out of a writing rut. Or just want to bounce ideas off of, ChatGPT is my go-to. One of the things I love most about ChatGPT is how easy it is to use. You don't need any technical skills or coding knowledge to get started. One of the things I love most about ChatGPT is how easy it is to use. The interface is user-friendly and intuitive, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise. You don't need any technical skills or coding knowledge to get started. Just type in your prompt and ChatGPT will take care of the rest. It's that simple. Just type in your prompt and ChatGPT will take care of the rest. It's incredibly intuitive and user-friendly, which is a huge plus for anyone who wants to streamline their workflow. It's incredibly intuitive and user-friendly, which is a huge plus for anyone who wants to streamline their workflow. And the best part? ChatGPT is constantly learning and improving, which is a huge plus for anyone who wants to streamline their workflow. And the best part? ChatGPT is constantly learning and improving. As more people use it, the better it gets at understanding and responding to prompts. ChatGPT is constantly learning and improving. The more you use it, the better it becomes at understanding your writing style and preferences. It's like having a writing assistant that gets smarter over time. As more people use it, the better it gets at understanding and responding to prompts. This means that the quality of the output you get from ChatGPT will only continue to improve over time. This means that the quality of the output you get from ChatGPT will only continue to improve over time. So, if you haven't tried ChatGPT yet, now is the perfect time to give it a shot. You won't be disappointed. Next up, we're diving into the world of AI-powered art with Midjourney. This tool is absolutely mind-blowing. Imagine typing in a description of what you want to create, and boom, Midjourney generates a stunning visual right before your eyes. It's like having a personal digital artist at your fingertips. Midjourney uses a process called text-to-image generation, where it takes your words and translates them into incredible visuals. You can create anything from photorealistic images to abstract art, and the level of detail and creativity is insane. I've seen people create everything from breathtaking landscapes to futuristic cityscapes, all with just a few words. It's truly remarkable how Midjourney can take your imagination and turn it into a visual masterpiece. And the best part? You don't need any artistic skills to use it. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, Midjourney makes it easy for anyone to create stunning visuals. It's a game changer for artists, designers, and anyone who wants to bring their ideas to life visually. Chapter 3. Runway AI, your creative toolkit. Now let's talk about Runway AI, a tool that's like having a whole suite of creative tools right at your fingertips. Imagine having the power to create stunning visuals, edit videos seamlessly, and add professional-grade effects. all from one platform. That's what Runway AI offers. Runway AI is all about making video editing, motion graphics, and visual effects accessible to everyone, regardless of their skill level. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, Runway AI provides the tools you need to bring your creative visions to life. The platform is designed to be intuitive, so you can focus on your creativity without getting bogged down by complicated software. With Runway AI, you can do everything from color grading to generating realistic effects, all with just a few clicks. The color grading tools allow you to enhance the mood and tone of your videos, making them look more cinematic. And the realistic effects? They're perfect for adding that extra layer of polish to your projects, making them stand out from the crowd. It's like having a Hollywood-level post-production studio in your pocket. Imagine being able to achieve the same level of quality that you see in blockbuster movies, but without needing a massive budget or a team of experts. Runway AI democratizes the creative process, giving you the power to produce high-quality content from anywhere. One of the things that sets Runway AI apart is its user-friendly interface. The design is clean and intuitive, making it easy for anyone to jump in and start creating. You don't need to spend hours learning how to use the software. Instead, you can dive right into your projects and start seeing results immediately. You don't need to be a video editing wizard to navigate the platform. The tools are designed to be accessible, so even if you're a complete beginner, you can still create professional-looking videos. The learning curve is minimal, allowing you to focus on what really matters, your creativity. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to use, even if you're a complete beginner. The platform offers tutorials and guides to help you get started, so you can quickly learn the ropes and start creating. Plus, the community of Runway AI users is always there to offer support and share tips and tricks. And don't let this simplicity fool you. Runway AI is packed with powerful features that can take your videos to the next level. From advanced editing tools to cutting-edge effects, the platform has everything you need to create stunning visuals. Whether you're working on a short film, a YouTube video, or a social media post, Runway AI has the tools to make your content shine. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or just someone who loves playing around with video, Runway AI gives you the tools you need to bring your vision to life. The platform is versatile, catering to a wide range of creative needs. You can experiment with different styles, try out new techniques, and push the boundaries of what's possible. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to create professional-looking videos without the hassle of traditional editing software. Runway AI streamlines the editing process, making it faster and more efficient. You can spend less time on technical details and more time on what you love, creating amazing content. So why wait? Dive into Runway AI and unlock your creative potential today. Chapter 4. Descript, the future of audio editing. Moving on to Descript, a tool that's completely revolutionizing the way we edit audio and video. Descript is not just another editing software, it's a groundbreaking innovation that has transformed the landscape of content creation. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner, Descript offers a user-friendly interface that makes complex editing tasks simple and intuitive. Descript is like magic for anyone who works with audio or video content. Imagine having the power to edit your projects with the ease of editing a Word document. That's the kind of magic Descript brings to the table. It's designed to make the editing process as seamless as possible, eliminating the need for multiple software tools and reducing the time spent on tedious tasks. It uses AI to transcribe your audio and video files, allowing you to edit them like you would a text document. This transcription feature is incredibly accurate thanks to advanced machine learning algorithms that understand context and nuances in speech. You can easily search for specific words or phrases, making it simple to find and edit the exact parts of your content that need attention. That's right, you can literally edit your audio and video by editing the text transcript. This revolutionary approach means you no longer have to deal with complicated waveforms or timelines. Instead, you can focus on the content itself, making precise edits with just a few clicks. This is particularly useful for removing unwanted sections, correcting mistakes, or even rephrasing sentences to improve clarity. Imagine being able to cut out filler words, rearrange sentences, and even change the wording of your audio just by editing the text. This level of control is unprecedented and opens up new possibilities for content creators. You can refine your work to perfection, ensuring that every word and sentence contributes to your message. Plus, The ability to rearrange sentences means you can experiment with different structures and flows until you find the perfect arrangement. That's the power of Descript. It's a tool that empowers you to take full control of your content, giving you the freedom to create without limitations. Whether you're producing a podcast, editing a video, or working on any other type of media project, Descript provides the tools you need to bring your vision to life. It's a game changer for podcasters, video editors, and anyone who wants to streamline their audio and video editing workflow. The efficiency and ease of use that Descript offers are unparalleled, making it an essential tool for anyone serious about content creation. By simplifying the editing process, Descript allows you to focus on what really matters, creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. But Descript doesn't stop there. It's constantly evolving, with new features and improvements being added regularly. The development team is dedicated to pushing the boundaries of what's possible, ensuring that Descript remains at the forefront of audio and video editing technology. This commitment to innovation means that you can always expect the latest and greatest tools to be at your disposal. It also offers a range of other features including studio quality recording, AI-powered noise reduction, and even the ability to create synthetic voices. These advanced capabilities make Descript a versatile tool that can handle a wide variety of tasks. Whether you need to clean up background noise, generate voiceovers, or produce professional quality recordings, Descript has you covered. It's like having a complete audio and video production studio right on your computer. With Descript, you have access to all the tools and features you need to produce high-quality content from start to finish. This all-in-one solution eliminates the need for multiple software programs, saving you time and money while streamlining your workflow. Descript is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with audio and video editing, and I can't wait to see what they come up with next. The future of content creation is bright, and with tools like Descript, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a professional editor or just starting out, Descript is the key to unlocking your creative potential. Chapter 5. Bonus tip. Combine AI tools for maximum impact. Now here's a bonus tip for you. Don't be afraid to combine these AI tools to unlock even more creative possibilities. For example, you could use ChatGPT to write a script for your next YouTube video, then use Descript to edit the audio and add some AI-powered sound effects. Or, you could use Midjourney to create some stunning visuals for your social media posts, then use Runway AI to animate them and bring them to life. The possibilities are endless. The key is to experiment and see what works best for you. These AI tools are incredibly powerful on their own, but when you combine them, you can create truly amazing things. So, don't be afraid to get creative and see what you can come up with. Outro. Unlock your creativity with AI. So there you have it, the top AI tools to make your life easier and more creative. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing content. See you next time.